times I had the opportunity to speak to this group, and that would have been bringing academic programs reports. Anyway, I'm honored to have been asked to present this tribute to my colleague and friend Sharon Rose. In her 25 years at Willamette, Sharon has made a significant impact not only on the university, but most importantly on her students. She has taught a wide variety of courses in the biology department and in general education program. In baseball parlance, she would be the ultimate utility infielder. Her contributions to the biology curriculum have included courses in the introductory core, general microbiology, microbial ecology, immunology, and research methods. She was responsible for writing the criteria for all the departmental research methods courses to carry writing centers. Sharon is a tireless advocate of general education, having taught in various versions of the first-year seminar program, 2 different world views topics, 2 college colloquium topics, interdisciplinary courses such as ethics in the American tradition, Hawaiian field studies, and women naturalists. Several of her courses have been writing centers. For over 20 years, my office was adjacent to hers. I was always impressed by Sharon's open door policy and the many hours that she would diligently spend with students in their writing assignments and with their academic advisees, of which she typically had approximately 40. Sharon's excellence in teaching has been formally recognized twice by being named Waterboard Professor of the Year, and also by receiving the Jerry Hudson Award for Distinguished Teaching. While teaching and the devotion to her students and advisees are paramount to Sharon, her service contributions to the university were exceptional. Very early in her career, she not only chaired the Faculty Resource Committee, but also was one of 3 CLA faculty members on Jerry Hudson's Presidential Advisory Committee. I remember that she was nervous about that because she was untainted and advising the president. Some of her significant university assignments included chair of the academic council while spearheading the adoption of the current general education program, co-chair of the CLA reaccreditation committee, and the development of the 5-year reaccreditation report. Sharon has also been the coordinator of SSRD, director of the Weber Student Outreach Program, and the World Views Freshman Seminar Coordinator. From 94 to 96, she was a member of the University Presidential Search Committee. Sharon's professional development activities extend within and outside of her academic discipline. As an advocate for undergraduate teaching and research, she co-authored Willamette's first successful National Science Foundation instrumentation and laboratory improvement grant. About the same time, she received Murdoch funding for a pilot student faculty research program, which was the precursor for the current very successful student collaborative research program that Joe just spoke about relative to Peter Eiler's involvement in the actual development of the program. Over the years, she had funding from National Science Foundation and Willamette's Fuel and Atkinson Fund programs to support her research on nutrient cycling and nitrogen fixation in sand dune and forest ecosystems, and on the soil microbiology of oak forests and wetland prairies. She also served as a program coordinator for the Oregon Academy of Science and twice served as an evaluator on National Science Foundation proposals in Washington, D.C. Several years of nearly daily runs at Minto Park with her dog, coupled with careful observations of cyclic changes in the flora and fauna of the park, led to publication of 2 editions of her book, The Natural History of Minto Island Park. She has given several talks on the park to various campus and Salem audiences. Sharon's interests extend well beyond the field and science lab. She is the only Willamette Natural Science faculty member to have received not 1, but 2 Oregon Council of the Humanities grants. She curated or co-curated 2 exhibits at the Haley Ford Museum, one on the biological illustrator Helen Gilkey, and one on the garden landscapes of Lord and Schreiber. She traveled within the state of Oregon as a Chautauqua program lecturer related to Gilkey and other women naturalists of the Northwest. Lastly, I'd like to mention a talent of hers that not too many know about. Sharon's a constant doodler. As anyone who has seen her ever-present legal pad on her desk in her office or has sat next to her or close to her at a faculty meeting knows. She has turned some of her doodling into very colorful mosaic patterns of geometric shapes. These pieces of art have been displayed and sold at both the Dow House and the Bush Barn Gallery. Sharon has been a tremendous influence on Willamette University and its students. It's a better place because of her dedication and tireless service. I hope she has a happy and long retirement.